Hi everyone, we all know how content creation can be time consuming, expensive depending on whether or not you do it yourself or you outsource it. Just imagine if you could automate the whole process 100%. I mean, not just your blog posts, but any ad copy you're looking to write, your social media posts, email headlines, email copy, and even landing page copy. So if you're new to affiliate marketing, which is what my channel is all about, and you're doing any kind of blog posting or just content creation in general, you know how frustrating it is to write engaging and on topic content. What's even more important is, you may have written that content, but actually knowing if that content will bring you the results that you actually want, i.e. someone taking an action, clicking a link, etc. But what if there's a way to ensure that you knew this before you actually publish that content and before you actually spend any money on hitting an ad up on Facebook or on Google or on Bing? How useful would that be to you as a marketer? Well, if that's of interest to you, this is exactly what I want to show you today. It's a tool I think everyone wants to at least consider looking at. Before I get to the content, if you haven't been to my channel before, my name's Sean from Affiliate Income Hero. I post videos all about affiliate marketing, product reviews, that kind of thing. So if you're interested in keeping them up to date when I put content out, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up and hit that notification bell. And if you are an affiliate marketer and you're looking for a genuine way to start a business, there's a completely free course in the link in the description that you want to go and check out as well. Now, the tool I'm referring to is a product called AnyWord. Now, AnyWord is an AI-based content creation tool. Now, AI is the way things are going forward. Everything's becoming automated to make your processes a lot quicker and a lot easier, but obviously each one will have its own merit. The thing that sets aside AnyWord from some of the other competition like Writer, incidentally I'll be doing a review of Writer and comparing it to AnyWord, so if you want to be kept notified when I put that out, please subscribe, is something they call a predictive performance score. Now, this validation is basically telling you which content is going to perform better in the SERPs and get someone to take an action, or even an advert that's going to perform better, or perhaps even writing an email subject line where someone is definitely going to click or is more inclined to click to open your email based on what AnyWord or the guys behind AnyWord have actually done, and that's spending $250 million of their own money in testing out different types of ad copy using this AI tool. So effectively they can then attribute a score to different types of copy to give you an indication of which one is the best for you to use depending on what you're trying to achieve. Now, that's really, really powerful when you actually understand what that means from a content producer, to know that your content is going to elicit an action, whether it be them, like I said, opening an email or clicking an ad, just means you can feel more confident when you actually hit that publish button. So there is two things I need to point out. The predictive performance score is only available at the business level, so you get to see all of those metrics. So I want to be upfront about that one. But the whole idea of me putting this video together is because I am in the same position as a lot of you affiliate marketers when you're starting out, and that's writing content is really hard. Sitting in there and looking at a blank screen can be difficult. So this tool is going to help you improve that, and I'm actually going to go through and show you why this tool can help improve what you do online, speed the process up, and actually I'll show you how to write a blog post, which will take you less than 10 minutes. So let's get into the tool. So basically you just need to click the sign up button. It's completely free for you to have a go at. You get up to, I think it's 5,000 words if you use the free account per month, which is enough to write 3 or 4 really decent blog posts. Or write for your social post if that's your way of driving traffic, but it will get you started. And then if you decide to stick with the tool, there's a $19 a month upsell if you wanted to go that route. And if you click the link in the description below, you'll be taken to the sign up page and you'll get 20% off your subscription. This tool will pretty much allow you to do copy for anything that you currently do online. So it will take all the heavy lifting away from you. So if you're doing Facebook ads, Google search ads, Outbrain, headlines, Taboola, even if you're paying for ads on Taboola, this will help you with that ad generation, Pinterest copy, LinkedIn, Twitter, even improving your existing landing page. This will analyze your landing page, once you've given it some key metrics, and then in terms of keywords, etc., what you're trying to target, and it will actually improve your conversions by up to 30%, just by plugging your site into this existing tool. You can write a new landing page copy, you can do your SEO metadata, even Amazon product listings, Facebook posts, Instagram, YouTube descriptions, Pinterest, pins, effectively anything. So your email subject lines, cold emails, that's something we all struggle with when we first start out, because we're trying to drive traffic and we're trying to get people to open our emails so that hopefully we'll make some sales on the back end of whatever it is we're promoting. So that's the data-driven copy. We've also got basic copy here. Now this is all around being able to write copy properly. So there's different types of attention, interest, desire, and action. So that's AIDA. We've got the PASS, which is the introduce the problem, you agitate the problem, and then you solve the problem. So this is the styles of copywriting that you would spend a lot of money learning yourself. So this will take all of that problem solving and issues of sitting there looking at a blank screen and being able to write content. It'll just speed the process up. So the tool itself will cater for pretty much anything you want to do online when it comes to creating content. And then of course you've got the blog post, which will allow you to write a blog post, which is the bit that we want to concentrate on. But before we go into that, I'm going to have a quick look at one of the projects I did earlier, just so you can get an understanding of what it actually does. So I did a quick project on using Facebook posts, and then trying to use what I do online, which is YouTube traffic, to write copy for my Facebook page, so for my profile. And as you can see here, you've got on the right hand side, you've got details of the metrics. So this is telling you what the percentage score is based on 356 similar variations that they've used themselves, of 74. So 74, it's green, it's telling you this is probably a really good one to go for. So you can read the copy it's produced. I had no input whatsoever in this, apart from saying it was for YouTube and a 30-day blueprint. So it gives you the metrics, the demographics as well of the type of audience that's likely to see that ad. And if I have a look at another one so you can see what I'm talking about, this one's 70%. So if I click on that, you can see that if I wanted to post this to my Facebook wall, hey YouTube fam, in order to grow your channel, I've been following these 5 steps to make content people will enjoy. Don't put too much on content at once. Reach out to other creators, engage with your viewers, make it a habit. Now that's that's a whole process it's giving you about what you need to do to be able to create content and get followers on the internet via YouTube or whatever social media platform you're using. And again, it gives us the demographics, the age groups of the people that are more likely to be interested in this content, or that would watch this or read this. And then it gives you a gender neutral tone of voice of how many people, male and female, will be actually looking at that information. So you can see the information you actually get is really in depth, and it will just help you make a better decision as to whether or not you should actually post that. But on the flip side, it also tells you which ones you shouldn't go with. So this is again another post. This has only got a score of 38. And it's saying that this probably isn't the best to go with. The demographics aren't there, the gender are, but it doesn't actually give you who it's appealing to, so the score on this particular one is low. So from that perspective, before you publish anything which one's more likely to perform better and elicit an action. So and again, you can do this for all of your social media posts, Instagram, etc. This will help you write that content, and it really is that simple. So if we click on one of these, if you wanted to add additional keywords, so mine is all around YouTube, so get to 1,000 subscribers quickly, and then hit return. 1,000 subscribers, and then return. Generate more content. You can change the number of ad variations you want. You can even change the language that you want to actually post in, although the metrics will not work in any other language than English. And each one of these keyword areas where you can populate this with keywords, you can have up to a 3-word maximum, but 3 separate keywords, if that makes sense. So you can see this has done basically rewritten the post for us here. And if we have a look here, this one's got 83. So if there's one thing I've learned it's this video content is key when it comes to building a large following on YouTube. In fact, when you upload your videos to YouTube, it only takes 12 minutes for someone to find them. So when you're trying to grow your YouTube channel, just remember these two things: create video content and upload it quickly. Do these two things consistently and don't give up. You'll get to 1,000 subs at no time, in no time at all. Now that's a really great post that you can just put on your Facebook post and drive that to some traffic if you're trying to get them to look at a course or to even look at one of your videos, and it's given it a metric score of 83. So you know, out of the ones it's produced here, and they're all pretty good, they all read really well, that would be the best one to go with. So you can see how simple the tool is to use. You can rewrite all of the posts. You've got a power mode as well, which allows you to customize any word to write like you do. So you can add your own flavor of how you would write. So you can add additional descriptions, and you can give examples. So if you read here, they put in a keyword of Yoda. And I'm a Star Wars fan, so I'm a bit of a geek. Do or do not, there is no try. Named must be your fear before you banish it. You can, you know, if basically you can change how this actually outputs what you're trying to produce. So why not just have a play, go and get the free account, and actually have a go at using some of these tools, and use whatever traffic source it is that you use to drive your traffic, whether it be Pinterest or you use Facebook, and just play with it and see what the content is like when you produce it, because it is very, very intuitive. It's easy to use as well. So for the purposes of this video, I want to be able to write a quick blog post and show you how user-friendly this tool is and what the content is like that it actually produces. So if we just click on blog, and then we click on blog posts, we're going to use a new project. Now in the first section here, this is where you want to give it as much information as you can so it understands what it's looking to write content on. So a minimum of 5 words really. I'm going to give it a bit of a head start. So how to start an affiliate marketing business in 2022 with little or no money. Let's do that. Or no money. The industry or topic is sort of marketing and advertising. You can change that if you wish to. It gives you some options and you have to choose one of those. And then keywords, let's do affiliate marketing, online marketing, make money online, and 2022. Oh, well, okay, 3 keywords maximum, my bad. Okay, then we want to click next, and what it's going to do is going to come up with some title options for us, and then it will give you the option to be able to choose which title you feel is going to be best performing based on the score metrics, which you will get if you have a business plan. If you don't, obviously you won't see that, but you can still, if you read a good headline, you know a good headline when you see one. It's hard for us to come up with them, but when we see one that catches our attention, you know, we'll know which one's good. So how to start an affiliate marketing business with little or no money, that's 79. Affiliate marketing insider tips on how to start an affiliate marketing business in 2022 with little or no money. Now that sounds a lot better than the headline that I came up with, both of which gives it a score of 79. It shows us the demographics of the kind of people that will actually be interested or read that kind of content, but I'm going to go with this one for the sake of this video. And then what we want to do is we want to click next. It says here you can write your own title instead if you wanted to do that as well. So I'll click next, and what it will do now is it will generate an outline of our blog. Now that's the hardest bit when it comes to writing content, is knowing how to make sure that your content flows and will keep the reader interested in what we're doing. So as you can see here, this has come up with 10 steps, which is absolutely fantastic. You know, each one of these is all congruent with writing a blog post about making money online. So this step-by-step guide, be a creator, not just a distributor, selecting the right niche, which is massive when it comes to our marketing side of things. You know, blog posts and anything to do with online affiliate marketing is all about picking the right niche, pick the right tools, finding your audience, grow fast with superstar content, use smart traffic building strategies, develop multiple income streams, run autopilot even when you sleep. Now I think that is absolutely fantastic. Now you can generate this again, you can generate the content again by hitting generate again to give you some more outlines, but from a standing start, from someone that is looking at a blank screen, to know that this is the outline of your blog post is going to save you hours. And it's not just a 2-section blog post. This is 10 sections that's giving you topic ideas, of which each one of these you can go in and use this tool to write that. So let's go to next. It's going to give us an introduction to the paragraphs. It says an intro to our blog post as well. So we get to choose which one we want to use. Again, it gives us a score for each one. So if you're looking to start an affiliate marketing business, you're in luck. There are so many ways to make money online on the internet now that it's easier than ever to get started with almost no money at all. This article will share insider tips on how to get started with affiliate marketing and make money online in 2022 without investing thousands of dollars into a new venture. So I think that sounds good. Now, obviously, you can generate more if you wanted to increase this score. Bear in mind, if you don't use the business plan, you won't get access to this. So use your intuition when it comes to content. What reads right to you? What grabs your attention? So this one's got the highest score, so I'm going to go with that. So let's click next. So that's our intro done. Setup is complete, and now we click on continue to editor. It gives you a project brief, so it tells you that any words uses the brief to generate your copy variations. To get the best results, make sure that your brief depicts your product or service accurately. So we've got step one. We want to generate some content. You can give it some further information. So some further information, I should say. So you can do a length, you can do whatever it is you want to do. So you can see it's generated some content for us. So step-by-step guide. What is affiliate marketing? In essence, is a business model that rewards you for introducing people to products and services. That sounds good to me. You can change the content length to long, medium, or short. You can regenerate this content. And then at the left-hand side, the most important thing when it comes to content generation is knowing if what you've written is duplicated, so duplicate content, which Google doesn't like. If we click on the plagiarism tool here, which you have as part of this system, it will give you an indication as to what the plagiarism, if it's likely to pass that. And it says here the text originality is when your readers click the link to buy something or earn a commission. It's saying that it's given it an amber list, that there's 2 other bits of content online that uses similar terms. So I'm going to close that. So if we wanted to regenerate that section, so regenerate, and you can see how quick that is. But let's just check the plagiarism checker on this one. The text is 100% original, so we know that we'd be able to post this if we wanted to. So for the purpose of the video, I'm just going to skip this and go to the next one. So be a creator, not a distributor. So we'd click generate. So the affiliate marketing model has been changed drastically over the past decade, but one thing remains true: successful affiliates market products effectively. In order to be profitable, you need to create something of value and market it online. Again, that reads particularly, quite well to me. You can regenerate that if you wanted to, change the length, however you want to be able to do that. If we click on the plagiarism checker as well, again, there's 100% unique. Now, I hope you can see the power of this tool. This is going to allow you to create basically the best part of 1,000 word article in probably half an hour, and a really good one as well, depending on how many times you want to regenerate the content. You can add in your own flavor as well, but I think you get the picture. This is allowing you to do something just by clicking a button. Now, I'd always add your own flavor to anything that you do online. Tools are great, but this is designed to take the heavy lifting away from you having to do all of that content writing yourself. So I think the tool is a massive step forward. And as I said, you can get access to the free one, which will give you, I think it's 5,000 words per month, which is free, which is the best part of 5 1,000 word articles, depending on how many times you rewrite them. But it will give you a chance to actually start generating content without you having to sit there scratching your head. I've gone on and finished this blog post or article. I did choose using the short text for majority of these boxes, but it still managed to create a 496 word article, which is 100% unique, ready for you to copy and paste into your WordPress blog or wherever else you're hosting your content. Obviously, you'll need to format that, add your affiliate links, etc., perhaps put images in, that kind of thing. But effectively, this has done everything that would take you hours to do. It's really decent content. It's depending on the keywords that you put in there, and you can change the brief. So if you want specific keywords to be sprinkled throughout the article for SEO, you could do that. But I think you'll agree this tool is absolutely fantastic. As I said, go and have a play with it. There's a link in the description. Go and have a look at the free tool and actually produce some content so you understand what it is that this tool can do for you. Now, like anything, affiliate marketing online, especially if you're writing blog content and posts for your website, can take time to rank. You're not going to make money straight out of the gate, but what you can do is you can use tools like this and be able to pay for this tool by selling the articles you produce in here on places like Fiverr, where you can go and sell your articles. And you'll know that the content your articles you're producing using this tool are really good and high end articles, which are going to be optimized for certain keywords, and they're going to read right, and they're going to be able to get someone to take an action, depending on whether or not you've gone for that business package. But you get the idea. So you can come to places like Fiverr, and you can even Upwork, where you can see these people are actually charging per hour. So some of them actually do it per job, but you can see $40 an hour. You can pump out an article in less than an hour and charge that kind of money. So you could use that to offset the cost of this tool until your articles start ranking in Google itself. So that is AnyWord. It's a really, really good tool. I would encourage anyone to go and take a look at it. As I said, you can get 20% off if you click the link in the description. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell, and I will keep you up to speed when I put other content out as well. And if you are looking to use blogging as a platform to make money online, and you're looking to know how to do it properly, there's a free course in the description below that will give you a really good heads up as to how to go about doing that. So I encourage you to check that out as well. So thank you for joining me today. My name's Sean from Affiliate Income Hero, and I'll speak to you soon.